थोड़ा इधर। हाँ, एक मिनट। ए, एक मिनट। परफेक्ट। हाँ, भेज दिया बिजनेस। आई एम ऑल इन। आई एम ऑल इन। अरे, इसमें सोचना क्या था? आपको एक इंटरेस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट चाहिए था और मुझे परफेक्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी। आई यूज्ड टू राइट, डायरेक्ट एंड एक्ट इन थिएटर, one man show. They don't make them like me anymore. They don't make them like me anymore. हाँ, रिग्रेट? मैं कुछ रिग्रेट नहीं करता। मैंने एक्टिंग छोड़ दी, बट एक्टिंग ने मुझे। मेरा अगला रोल पिता का। दो बेटे हैं, छोटी वाली 17 साल की, बड़ी वाली 26 साल की। लॉयर है भाई वो, एकदम इंटेलिजेंट, बिल्कुल अपने पापा पे गई है। हाँ, 6 साल से मिले नहीं है हम। मतलब फोन वगैरह पे बात होती रहती है ना, शादियों में भी मिलना बनना रहता है, बिजी रहती है वो। सो हाउ वाज योर फ्लाइट?
गुड, थोड़ी डिले हुई बट
कितनी डिले बेटा? 6 साल लग गए आने में। वो 6 साल से घर नहीं आई है, तो ये जो ऑकवर्डनेस है, ये ऐसे ही हंसी मजाक के साथ। सी, देयर इज एन एलिफेंट इन द रूम, एंड दिस इज हाउ द एलिफेंट विल लाफ, एंड दैट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट। The awkwardness is the elephant. So, ये रहा तुम्हारा रूम।
बाबा, आई नो।
Knowing is not enough. One must apply. Willing is not enough. One must do.
यू व्हाट?
Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee said that. What?
गुड, गुड। पेंट करवाई।
Yeah. और ये देखो तुम्हारी बचपन की फोटो, इसमें तुम टमाटर बनी हो, इसमें फुटबॉल, और इसमें खरबूजा। वाओ।
फैंसी ड्रेस। It was the 90s, so and as a child I used to be a little.
How could a thin, tiny body like that store all the personality that you had? Huh? Huh? And you unpack. Your sister will be back home soon. And remember, defeat is a state of mind. Bruce Lee said that.
That one didn't even make any sense. I'm a lawyer. I work with Kukreja and Associates in Mumbai. Sorry, worked. I've taken a leave of absence for some personal reasons.
बोलो, आज मैं बना लूंगा। बचपन से ही काफी शांत थी वो, मगर एकदम होशियार. I see a lot of myself in her. Since my wife passed away 12 years ago, we drifted apart. She's a very gentle person, a quiet soul.
I got fired. Something about being too aggressive with a client. There was some throwing of things.
A calm and a tender personality.
दीदी
Hi, baby. How are you?
आपकी फ्लाइट कैसी थी?
Good. थोड़ी डिले हुई, but
थोड़ी? It took you 6 years to reach here.
good one. So, what are you up to this summer vacation?
Nothing much. Just those acting classes I'd go to.
Huh. Those things, huh? Yeah, I remember those. So, you've been taking good care of the house. I mean, I expected broken furniture, dead plants, dead fish.
Yeah, but Bholu helps a lot.
He does.
Yeah, I mean, he's the only one around of my age, you know, to talk to.
He talks?
Oh my god, seriously? Is he like, oh?
Just get away from here. I mean, it's a natural thing to, you know. She's old enough to mature. She's mature enough to.
I think I just poked my eye. Ugh. Oh.
भोलू को क्यों ऊपर भेजा? मैं नीचे आ जाती ना.
अच्छा हो गया ना, आ गई. बैठो 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 बैठो. So, empty your mind. Open up. Be shapeless. इस चाय की तरह. Become the cup.
What?
अरे open up. अपने बारे में बताओ मुझे. I know nothing about you. Any boyfriends? Any lost love? What do you kids call it these days? Friends and Benedicts?
Again, what?
अरे not real friends. Little extra. Friends and Benedicts?
Right. Of course.
So?
Baba, you cannot expect me to discuss my sex life with you.
अरे क्यों? Times have changed. वे पहले जैसा कुछ नहीं है. You just need to be open and honest with me. मैं कुछ एडवाइस दे सकूं. काफी एक्सपीरियंस्ड हूं. इसमें awkward होने जैसा क्या है?
Okay. Why don't you try this newfound openness on your other daughter first?
वो मुझे सब बताती है. Okay?
Acha, acha. We went for a walk. We saw an interesting sight. And then. Baba.
I can do this. To hell with circumstances. I create opportunities.
Bruce Lee. Okay.
ये एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है मेरी बेटी को सिखाने का. She can talk to me about anything. 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 See, I told you. Perfect. Cup. Shapeless. Cup.
You didn't talk to her, did you? Here's the cup. Maybe it'll tell you what to do.
Good morning.
Sure, come in.
Ready? मेरे एजेंट का आइडिया था ये. You should meet him.
Your agent suggested you should start jogging.
हाँ ये भी पर शानदार बंदा है. He was the one who suggested that I sell off my business. और ये सब पार्ट टाइम में करता है.
बाबा, God, are you hurt? Hey, तुम क्या करते हो यार? तुम्हें कहाँ पे क्यों रखा है? जाओ,
बेटा
जाओ यहाँ से.
बेटा ये सब होता रहता है.
जाओ.
मेरी उम्र में माय एजेंट सेज ये सब होता रहता है. He says
Come.
I need to be fit.
Oh, he says, does he? Tell me, what else Simon says?
उसका नाम मंगलू है. और ये साइमन कौन है?
Just get up. Ow!
Sorry.
my leg, Baba.
Sorry.
I'll look for it.
I think ये रहा. नहीं, I'll help you. ये.
Ow! Oh God, my leg,
Sorry.
Baba.
I'm so sorry. I just thought we'll spend some time together. मैं तुमसे समझाने की कोशिश करूं कि
क्या समझाने की कोशिश बाबा? क्या पागल हो गए? आपने अपना बिजनेस बेच डाला और अब आप एक्टर बनने निकले हैं. Why now, Baba? Does this have something to do with Mom?
Your mom. काश मैं तुम्हारी माँ से बात कर सकता. She would have understood me. You would have understood me, na Sarita?
I just don't understand this. Do you even want to go to acting classes?
Yeah, I guess. तुम्हें कैसा लगता था when he used to send you to those acting classes?
So angry. I hated them.
Imagine his life then. All those years doing what he hated. Told you, first fight before 8 a.m.
You should read some of the plays I've written. I'll show you.
You know what, Baba? I get it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Anyway, मैं वो contract एक बार देख लूँगी. The one that you signed with the agent, just to make sure that everything is in place.
You want to read the contract?
Do I?
You said na.
Yes.
वो सब छोड़ो. First you read this. Read this. Read this. You know why you should read this? तब लिखा था तो तुम्हारी माँ से मिला था. Okay? Read. Wait. This is my favorite song. Dance.
No.
Come.
No.
Come.
Okay. Yeah, I think it's going good. I mean, I don't want to jinx it, but
I heard that. ओए सॉरी बेटा, लेट हो गया था, बैठ गया तुम्हारे बिना.
Baba, I have to talk to you.
मैंने कहा ना, गलती से हो गया. सेम कलर था, थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो गया मैं. यूज कर लिया तुम्हारा टूथब्रश.
आपने मेरा टूथब्रश यूज किया.
नहीं.
Anyway, aside from that disturbing revelation, Baba, your contract, I think it seems a little shady.
नॉनसेंस. लोगों को थोड़ा ट्रस्ट करना सीखो बेटा.
But Baba,
Listen, you are a big lawyer only in Mumbai. Just relax. Forget the contract.
Baba,
Shopping कराओ.
I was gonna make some notes for your contract first, but that's out the window.
Good one.
Anyway, I still think आपको एक बार अपनी एजेंट से बात
No,
करनी चाहिए.
no,
बात
no,
कर-
no, no,
I want
no,
to go shopping. But
no,
at least
no,
I want to go shopping.
no,
Just have a look.
no,
Okay.
no. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. बेटा, अगर शॉपिंग जा ही रहे हो तो अपने लिए एक नया टूथब्रश लेते हैं ना.
I'm gonna go shopping. Pants. I need pants. Baba, I'm gonna go shopping. I'll be back soon. Yeah, fine. I'm here to meet Janglu bhai. हाँ? हाँ, मंगलू भाई. मंगलू भाई.
आइए मैडम आइए. बोलो शो बताओ. मैडम सिल्क ब्रेसियर्स में एकदम नया माल आया है. बताओ आपके लिए परफेक्ट 32 सी ना.
क्या?
32 सिल्की.
नहीं. मैं ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के बारे में बात करने आई हूँ. आपसे फोन पे बात हुई थी.
अरे हाँ आइए.
हाँ.
लेकिन मैडम 32 सी दिखाओ ना.
I mean, it could have been a little better. There could have been a little less throwing of things. A little less yelling. I mean, did you not look at the chaddis hanging there? That man is my father's agent.
Hello? No, this is her father. She left her. What? Change of address? Why? निकाल दिया. थप्पड़ मारा. Okay, I'll ask her to call you back. Thank you. हाँ मंगलू भाई, कैसे हैं? क्या? So, you went shopping? What did you buy?
Pants.
Pants. Are they on fire?
What?
I said, are they on fire?
Good one. Baba 1, TT 0.
Baba, that agent is up to no good. I've gone through the contract. I'll get you another lawyer from my firm.
Your firm. How interesting. Your firm called.
What? I meant to tell you, Baba, but then.
मतलब सब झूठ. Just a fart.
What? A farce.
Don't you dare change the subject. I can't even look at you. Give me my car keys.
Enough! Enough now, Baba. Enough. Stop acting like a child, okay? Yes, I came back because I got fired. But also because Mama called me and told me that you've gone insane. And I came back for her. Mama is going to sue you for custody if you don't stop this madness. Is that what you want?
That man's never understood.
Understood what? Understood what? That you could not come to terms with the choices that you've made in your life and you want to punish us for it. Baba, are you crying?
I know. I know I'm supposed to pay our bills. I'm supposed to help you with your homework. Remember to feed the cat. मैंने सोचा कि मैं नहीं जानता था कि तुम मेरे बारे में ये सोचती हो.
Baba, we don't own a cat.
I'm sorry, okay? You just leave. You win. You just leave. I'll just leave.
I never know how long to wait till I can talk in these situations. Okay, a little longer.
बोलो क्या है ये? Shame on you.
What's that smell?
What smell? What's up?
Well, that was really ugly, huh?
I'm sorry you had to see that.
No, that is okay. पर मामू मुझे सच में ले जाएंगे क्या?
I don't know.
I'm really happy that you're here, you know. It's good to have you around, together, you know, like a full family, parivar. I really want you to stay, yaar. And even Baba. But you know,
What? You have a bet with Bholu, don't you?
I really need to win this one, yaar. Please.
Baba, I'm sorry.
You're right.
Yes, I was. But that does mean I should have gone to meet your agent behind your back. You know what, Baba? You were right. You are allowed to follow your dream. Chose an awfully inconvenient path. But yeah.
I never said I was perfect.
Yeah. I'm sorry I lied. I guess I was ashamed.
Ashamed? बेटा वो तुम्हारे ऑफिस वाला आदमी कितना डरा हुआ था फोन पे. I mean, I'm proud of you. So what? They fired you. You threw a chair on the glass. You broke the printer. You kind of stapled somebody's hand to the desk. You lit somebody.
Okay. I get it.
Defeat is a state of mind. No one can ever be defeated unless you accept defeat as reality. You know who said that?
I have a feeling.
मैं तुम दोनों के लिए एक एग्जाम्पल बनना चाहता था. तुम मेरे बारे में ये सोचो कि I'm following my dreams. That I have the courage to.
I don't know. I don't know if you wanted us to see your courage, or I don't know about that. But you are showing us that it's okay. It's okay to take risks for something that you truly love. And it's okay if all of that goes to shit. Because we know we'll have each other anyway.
Showed you all that? I guess I did.
You are an odd man.
Thank you. That's probably the nicest thing you've said to me. And good thing you're a lawyer. For when they sue you for all the damage. Cheers.